What's up, YouTube? This is Brian Pfeiffer, marketingmeathead.com. And today I'm going to show you how to get your e-com videos made quick and for a reasonable cost. All right, welcome back. So one of my other affiliate marketer buddies turned me on to this website, so I thought I'd share it with you guys. I know it's it's going to be a quick video today, but if you like to learn stuff about how to make money online, save some time, you want to subscribe to this channel. Make sure you like this video. If you find it valuable, share it with your friends, and make sure you like it as well. All right, so I'm going to introduce you guys today a new little company or tool, if you want to call it. It's called dropshipvidsfast.com. You can get videos made in 24 hours. So I'm guessing what these guys did is they probably set up a team of pretty experienced like e-com video guys, and they're just, instead of you having to go out and find your own video editor on say Upwork or Pfeiffer, they've kind of already curated those people for you so you can save some time. They can turn around a video in 24 hours. The pricing here is not bad at all. I think they have a deal where you can basically get a video for like 2 versions of it for like $77 in 3 days if you want to go that route. So let's check out the pricing here. I haven't tried these guys out personally yet, but from what my other buddy tells me is they're pretty good. Okay, so 1-day delivery, $97 on a video for e-com products, and then there's a 3-day delivery of $57, and then I think there's a version for $77 where you can get 2 variations. I think it takes about 3 days. Yeah, 3-day delivery on that. So $77, 2 videos. You know what it costs to make a video by the time you go out and find the footage, and by the time you go out and do the editing, throw some music or the words and stuff in there. $77 for 2 versions is pretty damn reasonable. So I think this might be a nice time saver. There's a another package here for $470. You can check this out. I'm going to go ahead and throw an affiliate link below if you want to check this out, and you do check this out and buy a video through my link. I would appreciate you guys telling me what happened, how the video performed, and all that stuff, because I haven't personally tried these guys out yet, but I'm definitely going to try this out because this looks like a big time saver for me. And basically they'll do different versions. If you don't like the original version and whatnot, they'll fix it and whatnot. So seems like a pretty legit company. Definitely worth a shot. Again, this is dropshipvidsfast.com. 24-hour videos, 2 for $77 if you want to wait 3 days. Go ahead and check this out. Save some time, because time is your most valuable asset. Let's get those e-com products launched for 2019 fourth quarter here. We'll talk soon. I'm the Marketing Meathead. Make sure you like this video. Talk soon. Bye.